working construction for the Johnstown Company. But lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all them things that seem so important, mister, they vanished right into the air. Now I just act like I don't remember. Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car, her body tan and wet down at the reservoir. Night on down backside, lie awake and pull her close just to feel each breath she take. Now those memories come back to haunt me. They haunt me like a curse. Is the dream alive if it don't